Y'all be very quiet. We have found our first wild creature. No 28 ride modes. No traction control. It don't look too appetizing, I can already tell you this. Timmy said he's ate one of these.
Oh, man, let's go build a ramp so we can jump down in here. I see dead people.
Have I ever told y'all how fun this is? It's freaking awesome. Ooh, scrub the fender on that one, baby. This weekend I'm gonna be doing some exploring in the North Georgia mountains, trying to find some cool roads to ride, and trying to stay off road either on gravel or dirt as much as possible. And maybe we'll find an interesting creature or two, but most importantly, we'll enjoy the time that the good Lord has blessed me with. So let's get on this bike and let's get after it. Now, this is another Weekend Warrior trip in the Weekend Warrior series. It's my third one. So if you hadn't checked out the other 4 episodes, go check those out. And something else, on the Bearded Grump channel, riding season never ends. I'm gonna try to do as much riding as possible this year because I'm blessed and thankful to be able to still ride a motorcycle. So I'm gonna try to spend as much time on it as possibly can, and also do some camping with my wife. So, but y'all are here for the motorcycle content, so let's see what we find today. Today's weather report brought to you by the Bearded Grump. It is approximately 55 degrees right now with a high today of about 65. Tonight's low will be in the low 40s, and yes, I will be camping, but I have a 0-degree sleeping bag and a new sleeping pad to try out, so I should stay warm and not freeze to death. I'd like to take a minute to thank Rick Stewart, the SC Moto Lawyer, for sponsoring today's video. If you're ever out here in these government woods, speeding or doing wheelies, and you get caught by the county mountie, there's probably not much he can do for you. But if you're ever involved in a motorcycle accident that's not your fault, or you just need legal advice, he'll be the man you need to call. So call Rick Stewart, the SC Moto Lawyer, at 1-855-GET-MOTO. Now back to the video. Side road action. It's not rained up here in a while. Things dry. Creaky. I got waterproof socks on today. My feet can't get wet. Oh, look. Might be a wild creature down here. Shh. Y'all be very quiet. We have found our first wild creature. It's rare to see these in the wild. That's a wild Timmy right there. He's a rare species, and he also rides a wild Suzuki V-Strom. Observe him in his natural habitat. And I got to him closely now. There's the wild Timmy. He's been up here for a couple days. He said there was some cool stuff happened the other day. He said a helicopter flew over here with men hanging out of it.
Barely missing the trees.
That's crazy. I wish I would have been here to see that. Hey, check out his new tent he's got too. Look at that thing. He's chilling. He got a porch and everything. He's killing it out here. Huh? That's a cool campsite too. The creek right there.
Bring boots that weigh like 200 pounds.
Got water wading boots.
But they've come in handy.
It's a cool campsite. Pretty neat down here, chilling, and the sun's out and the wind's not blowing too bad right now. So, well, after further consideration and after taking a break, I decided to camp here with good old Timmy because it's been a while since we camped together, and today's ride was pretty much to camp anyway. By fixing to jump on the bike, go explore around a little bit, and we'll see if we can find some cool dirt roads, and then we'll come back and see what we get into at camp. So
and look at purple and red boots.
Look, purple boots and red boots. We have determined that colored boots are absolutely the shit. We love them. So let's jump back on the bike. Let's go get back after it, and then get back to camp sometime later on. I got my stuff set up over there, and of course y'all seen Timmy's Taj Mahal over there. So let's go get back after it. It's been a while since I messed around in some of these areas. scrub the fender on that one, baby. Oh, muddy. Oh, it's a little rough in here. This area didn't get hit as bad by the hurricane, but seen quite a few trees down. Hopefully a lot of these side chutes and stuff we go down is completely open. Oh, and it's not. Probably could go around that maybe, but there's a drop off right there. And there's a big tree right there too, so want me to get that way. This used to be really rough right here. Not anymore. Old graveyard right here. Can't remember if it's from one of the wars, I can't remember. We just walked around there before. It's on a long, one of my first videos I ever put out 3-4 years ago. Well, 3 years ago. Only been doing this 3 years. People's been camping up here. Let me ask y'all a question. What's your favorite part about riding adventure motorcycles? I guess you could say any kind of motorcycle, but mainly adventure motorcycles. Is it getting out on these smooth gravel roads, rougher stuff, the camping, all the above? Is being out in nature, freeing your mind? There's so many things you can like about it. What's y'all's favorite part? Drop that comment, let me know. I think mine just sort of encompasses all the above. I like freeing my mind more than anything, but I love every part of it, to be honest with you. It's cool out here in the winter time where you can see all the mountain views and stuff. Won't be long, everything will be budding around here and all the leaves will be coming back, but it'll also become riding season for most people in the country. I said riding season don't stop on this channel, but unless it's really cold, which tomorrow night it's gonna be really cold. I ain't decided if I'm gonna camp tomorrow or if it's gonna be just camping tonight and riding all day tomorrow. I ain't sure yet. So y'all have to stay tuned for episode 6. Pretty much got the road to myself today, or the woods too. There ain't hardly nobody out here. Passed one car so far. It's pretty cool right there. But that water's cold right now. This is where I was gonna camp tonight, right here. This was my initial plan, but I knew Timmy had come up somewhere around here, and since me and him ain't camped together in a while, I keep him company. He might ride with me tomorrow, he might not, I don't know yet. This is a pretty cool little campsite too. He's got a good wide creek and all that. Pretty flat areas. Well, there might be something down here to go to. Oh, they are. It's bigger. Spreads out all down here. That's pretty neat. Oh yeah, some good camping around here. Have to get this spot one day. Let's go up this way. Woohoo! Have I ever told y'all how fun this is? It's freaking awesome. Stop, take a little break just to take in nature for a minute. I hope that shot going wheeling over that mud hole or through that mud hole, hope that turned out all right. It looked like the water splashed right towards the camera, so I hope that shot turned out pretty cool. But it was definitely fun doing it. I like learning that kind of stuff, and I'm just getting the back strength back where I could take those harsher hits. If you do that smooth enough, it's not really that rough, but just yanking of the bike and stuff like that. Finally getting the strength to do that. But y'all just look at this. Look how pretty it is. It's peaceful. Got the government woods all to myself. Hadn't always seen, I've seen one car the whole time. So I'll take a quick break, get some water, and we'll see what else we get into. Oh yeah. I love when them sticks pop up and hit you right on the foot really hard and make you thank the Lord above that you got good hard Alpine Star Tech 7 motocross boots on. Plug. Not sponsored by them, but I sure do wish I was. KTM would have never been going through all this bankruptcy stuff if they would just make bikes simple, like the 990, and make them a beast. No ABS, No 28 ride modes. No traction control. Just good old cable throttles that you have to adjust. I do like the hydraulic clutch. They got a good pull on that, so keep that and just have a good simple bike. Low slung gas tanks. You can don't feel the weight as much unless you have to pick it up off the ground, but that's with every bike. It's built in Austria, good, reliable, not in China and India, wherever the hell they build KTMs now. And wouldn't be going bankrupt if you just kept good simple bikes like the good old LC8 V-Twin 990 Beast. Let's see what this is all about. Oh, that might be a beast of a hill right here. First gear that. Pretty steep, but wasn't that bad. Hopefully it comes out to a cool campsite, which I bet it does. Oh man, that's a pretty good one. You're very flat, but you got a good mountain view back there. That's pretty cool. I have to put this on the list. I cut the camera off and rode about 30 minutes just silently and just taking everything in, but I'm on a wood gathering mission right now. So we come a little earlier. I'm gonna go up here and try to get this wood tied on here so we can have a good fire tonight. I think that'll stay. Rock strap's got all types of different uses. Seems pretty stable. It's got a little bit of rough riding to do, shouldn't be too bad. So now, get back to camp and surprise Timmy with a load of firewood. I got you a present. It made it successful. I brought Timmy a load of wood and for myself too, so it made it to camp. Get all this stuff unloaded and see what else we get into on this lovely Friday afternoon. Somebody left a comment a few videos back asking what kind of sleeping pad I recommend for somebody that's got a bad back. I was using a Nemo Tensor sleeping pad. Well, Ben at Motocamping just sent me this Thermarest Neo Loft. It's a lot thicker. You see the pack size there. It's about 4.5 inches thick. 4.7 R value. So I'm gonna try this for the first time tonight. I'll blow it up real quick and show it to you, but I think it's gonna be a big improvement over the Tensor I was using to give me a better sleep, because I was waking up with some back pain and making the next day's ride hard. So let's blow this thing up and we'll see what it looks like. I don't know if y'all better tell much about it right now, but it's got like a stretchy top fabric on top, so it makes it feel sort of like a memory foam mattress. It's pretty cool too. Right here you got your valve where you put the air in and out at, and this valve right here will let it escape quick, or you can turn it just barely and let some air escape to get your pad exactly how you want it. So I think it's gonna be pretty cool. This ain't a sales pitch, but I'll let y'all know in the morning of how good it slept. So I think it's gonna be a big improvement. I really do. I think it's gonna keep me warmer and keep my back from hurting as bad. So we'll see. Thanks Motocamping for sending it to me and letting me try it out though. I definitely appreciate it, because everything I can do to make this better on me, I definitely want to do it.
Please do not talk to Jimmy.
We got some gathered some firewood up. Got a pretty good bit. Timmy said that's the most he's had, I think.
I know, I just dropped my bike, so I'm gonna take it sick.
So you can get a fire started in a minute. I'm eating ghetto food tonight, but I'll show you that anyway. But hey, we camping, that's all that matters. You know, no matter what you eat sometimes, as long as you're camping.
Wow.
Skittles, taste the rainbow.
Oh, man, let's go build a ramp so we can jump down in here. And then we go. I'm already on the fire. I gotta have some gas to get it started.
Here's my two ghetto choices for dinner tonight. I got, it says dumplings and chicken, which we call it chicken and dumplings here in the South, or chicken Alfredo. I just wanted to try these little things because they're pretty compact and it's got to be better than freeze dried. I think I'm gonna go with chicken Alfredo because it's got 16 grams of protein. I ain't ate much today, so maybe I'll be headache free and ready to ride again tomorrow. So let's try this out. They don't look too appetizing. I can already tell you this. Timmy said he's ate one of these before. I don't know if he's ate this particular one. They're meant to be in the microwave.
Look, guys.
But I'm gonna put in this pot.
I'm gonna start a fire for him so he can cook his stuff if he'll follow me.
Hold on. Here's the finished product, just like it started. So if it looks more appetizing now, might be a little hot. Good old taste test coming up. And if you're wondering why Timmy's not cooking Timmy Gourmet tonight, it's because he didn't really know I was camping with him. I was going to stop by and visit, and then I was going to be going on, but the campsite's so good, I decided to stay. And he said he's going to just cook everything he's got to cook at 10 o'clock at night.
Cook it all.
It's actually not that bad. I ain't going to say delicious, but it's not that bad. And chicken's actually tender and tastes like real chicken. Beats the hell out of a freeze-dried meal, I can tell you that much. So I'm gonna get to eating. I'm not gonna show y'all all that, and see if Timmy's gonna get this fire started for us.
I want to eat too. Can I do my taste test?
Yeah, hold on. Oh, I love it.
I see dead people.
Pro moto camping tip of the day. If you can, camp near a water source, because you can wash your dishes without having to use your drinking water, and you can gather water for filtering so you don't run out of water and don't have to stop by the store every hour or two to get you something to drink. So that's the pro moto camping tip of the day, brought to you by the Bearded Grump. Well, Timmy didn't start the fire for me. I had to do it because he was messing around doing other things. So I had to be the fire starter for tonight, which is okay.
But look, I'm gonna show y'all something. Since y'all ain't seen me in a while, look right here. It's right here.
What is it?
Look what Walmart gave me.
Look, Walmart, proof of purchase. He bought the Vision from Walmart. But yeah, with the fire blazing, the sound of the water, did some pretty good riding today. Got about 100 miles, a little over 100 miles. Pretty good day. I think tomorrow's gonna be a really good one. We got a lot of cool areas to go check out. So stay tuned for episode, I think it'll be 6 of this Weekend Warrior series. And I don't know if Timmy's riding with him tomorrow or not. I think he is, but we'll just have to wait and see. So definitely stay tuned for that. And pretty much not gonna film anymore tonight. The sun's still up, but it's getting darker in here. Plus we just wanna chill a little bit. I just wanna listen to the water, relax my mind, and get ready for tomorrow. So as always, appreciate y'all watching. If you hadn't already, hammer the shit out of that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be alerted when new content comes out. Follow along with us. We'll see y'all in the next one. Timmy with the Red Bull.